Alright, now we are going to analyze top 15 countries cases. So the first of all, I'm gonna write there top is equal to 15, and then I'm gonna make it a little larger so we can code it freely here. Then we have here fig underscore c is equal to px dot bar, that's in plotly express bar plot, and then we have there country wise. Alright, country wise dot sort values. Alright, so we are gonna sort these values. First we are gonna sort it based on the confirmed cases. Alright, so sort it based on the confirmed cases, and then we are gonna take here the top of 15 values, that's mean tail of those 15 values, which will be as a largest 15 values. Alright, country wise. So that's the top 15 there. And then on the x-axis I'm gonna provide their confirmed cases. Alright, confirmed cases. And similarly on the y-axis I am gonna provide their country. Alright, and then the text information which will be displayed on this bar plot, I'm gonna make that confirmed. And the orientation, so this is going to be a horizontal plot instead of a vertical plot, so I'm gonna make that H, that's mean horizontal plot. And then I'm gonna fix here color discrete sequence is equal to ACT, that's the active color. Alright, so this is for a confirmed cases. Similarly we are going to do it for death cases. So this is fig underscore d, and there it will be deaths, and there will be also death, and then finally this active will be DTH, and this text will be also death. Alright, now let's go ahead and create first subplot so that we can visualize at least these two data together. So we are gonna take their fig is equal to make subplots, and there we are gonna analyze a lot of the rows there. So you can get those with country wise dot columns. So there are many columns which we are going to analyze. So basically we are gonna create those their 5 rows and then 2 columns. And after that I'm gonna put their shared x-axis is equal to false, and the horizontal spacing I'm gonna put there 0.4, in fact 0.14. and apart from this we are gonna put their vertical spacing. Alright, so we have their vertical spacing. Let me bring it into a new line there. So that's I'm gonna provide there 0.1, and then I'm gonna provide their subplot titles. Alright, so for a subplot title I'm again gonna put it into a new line. We have their subplot titles. So for the first subplot title we have their confirmed cases, and the another one is death case reported. Alright, and then finally we are gonna add those traces inside this figure. So that's the fig dot add trace. First I'm gonna add fig c, and that I'm gonna add with data with 0th column. Then I'm going to define that this should be a column 1 and row 1. Alright, so that should be the row 1 and the column 1. That's for the confirmed cases, and let's go ahead and plot it for in the row 1 and column 2, that is for death cases. Alright, and then finally I'm gonna update the figure. You can update the figure with fig dot update underscore layout, and inside that I'm gonna put the height is equal to 400, and then we have pig dot show. Let's go ahead and show this figure. With this figure, what we get? We get, actually this should be, let's go ahead and make it a little larger, because there are 5 rows and all those 5 rows will not be able to adjust in just 400, but make it, let's say, 3000. All right, so with this, what you get there, you get confirmed cases and death reported, but there are many other plots are left here because we have not plotted others like recovered, active cases, new cases. So in the next lesson, we will be plotting all those as well. So thanks for watching this lesson. In next lesson, we will continue it to other columns as well. Bye bye. See you in next lesson.